Shure launches IntelliMix Room Kit, and this room kit contains 4 things in it. There is the compute over here, and then there is the touch panel. It also has the ceiling array, which is a 902, which is both a microphone array and also a speaker. And we also have the camera, which is our partnership with the Huddly camera. This particular room kits come in 3 sizes, which will be for small, medium, large, and extra large rooms. These room kits are very easy to set up. You can just pretty much power it up and connect it, and it will all completely auto-discover, and the room will be really great, and then it works immediately. This particular product is intended for Microsoft Teams rooms, so it works beautifully with the Microsoft Teams rooms. One click and you can immediately join the meeting. And this particular product also can be extended as we go into the medium and the large rooms. Instead of having one of this ceiling array and speaker, we can have 2 of them. Or we can also have a more powerful camera as well, and that can be camera from 1, 2, or 3 cameras, and that will be for bigger and larger rooms. So with this one, we can handle all sizes of rooms and conference rooms.